Okay, good evening, good day, whichever time zone you're operating with. You're welcome to Mobile Phone Video Editing Made Easy Masterclass. And it's courtesy of Learn and Earn Training Systems. And my name is Anekan Okokon. I am your instructor for this course. Today we are going to be taking on video content creation using RenderForest app. Video content creation using RenderForest app. Okay. All right. So there are two ways you can edit your videos with your mobile phone using the RenderForest approach. You could either use your mobile browser, Chrome browser, or whichever browser you are using, and you access their site www.renderforest.com, and then you can access their services from that platform. But today we are going to be looking at using the RenderForest mobile app. Mobile apps are a little bit better to use because they are optimized for mobile phone usage. Both the storage and whatever facilities they have are made strictly for the mobile phone. While you're using a web browser, there could be one or two features that are not there because they are made for cross platforms and it may not be user responsive so much, but both of them have pros and cons. I'm also going to be doing a video on how you can use renderforest.com. That will be the second video. Okay, so for now, let's focus on the video we have at hand, using RenderForest app to create and edit videos. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so load your Google Play Store and download the app. You're going to search for the app. Once your Google Play Store is on, search for RenderForest app, or you can just type RenderForest app or RenderForest and search, and it's going to pop up there. There's the app there. RenderForest is called RenderForest Intro Animator. That is the name of the app, RenderForest Intro Animator. So you can quietly download it. I already have it downloaded, which is why we have there the feature to update. So you're going to click there and download, and you have the mobile app very ready for usage. Okay, once you download it, you launch the app, and this is going to be your welcome screen. So the first thing you are going to do is to log into your account. Create an account or log in. If you're an existing user, you log in. If you're a new user, you're going to create an account. So to create an account, you will come down to More at the bottom here. Come to More at the bottom here, and then select it. I already have my account already selected. So you log in with your Gmail, log in with your Google account, Facebook account, or you can just insert your email and you are ready. Okay, the benefit of having your account is that every video you make will be saved for you in their cloud. So you have the benefit of cloud storage. So your videos will be with them. You can always access it anytime you wish. Okay, let me just take you around. The home page brings you the template. You can see here lots of templates that you can use to create videos and edit them. Okay, RenderForest is more of a video creation using artificial intelligence and also using powerful tools to help you create crazy videos. You can see here you can make animation videos, you can make intros and logos, you can make slideshows, award ceremonies for your corporate slideshows, product gallery. You can make presentations, explainer toolkits, whiteboard animation. You can make music visualizers for music, those who want to who have a song and they want to put it on YouTube, but they are not yet ready to shoot their video. You can still have your music generate a video content for you, and then lots more. So that is the home screen. Let me walk you around. On top here, what you have here on top is a search bar. Search here on top here, you have the search bar, and then the search bar takes you, in case you want to search for a particular template. On the top here, you have a settings icon beside the search bar, and then at the bottom lane here, this bottom lane here, what you have here are the, what I call the menu, the basic menu you have. We have the template page. Second page is my videos. This way all the videos you've worked will be saved, so whenever you come back you can continue from where you stopped. You can make edits, you can preview, you can download, you can edit. And then the last page is the more page, where you access your account. You can work on your profile, you can upgrade. If you are using the free version of RenderForest, so you can afford to upgrade and select the different packages they have. You have features here, self-explanatory. So let's move on. Today we are going to be creating a very simple explainer video, and so I'm going to use a trendy explainer here. It's the second, on the second row here. Select it, then it usually gives you a preview. So you can you can see whether this is the kind of stuff you like, and it's also showing you the possibilities and the capabilities of the
Making
app.
an explainer video can be a difficult and expensive process without any guarantee of results in the end.
So once you're done with the preview, you can, and if you like it, you can read more details here, and then you click create now at the bottom, and so it will take you straight to the page. And then you have two options here. You can add scene or you can load a preset. Add scene is better for those who are used to the platform, who already know what they want. You've already written your storyboard. You already have your storyboard, your script. You know exactly this is what I want the first scene to look like, second scene to look like. So the add a scene will help you to add those scenes by yourself, while the load a preset is going to give you the full template, an existing project, and all you do is change the text, customize it to suit you. You can change the text, you can change some pictures, you can change the placeholders, the videos, and pick whatever you want, but at least you have something to start with. So we are going to use load a preset. So you click on load a preset, and then you have lots and lots of presets. You can see here animated product video, research, planning, fun team building, tips for successful thesis, defense, happy, so many. So you can these titles can help you pick something that is close to what you want, something very close to what you want. You could pick it and then work on it. So I am going to pick something here. Okay, let me just pick anyone at random. Animated inspirational video. Yep, let me pick this. Animated inspirational video. And of course, it's going to show you a preview again of this particular template. So you can see if it's what you want. See the transitions. And then I want to use this, so I use the preset. So we have selected it, and it brings us to the basic home page, the basic work page of RenderForest. You can see here the different scenes, the pictures here, the different scenes. A scene talks about each of your video stories, little scenes, each of your video stories, and then beside them the other scene 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the bottom you can add a scene, and then at the bottom here, I will explain this much later. Here are the different icons where after you finish editing, you can change the style, you can add music, you can then preview the video. So let's get to editing. How do we edit the content and customize it to be ours? Okay, so if you check on the left of your screen, on the left of each of the scenes, you will see this numbering here. See the numbering here: 2, 3, 4, 5. You see the numbering there? So those are where you can edit. So you click on it, click on one, you see it changes the icon to an edit icon, and on the left, on the right hand side, you can see you can duplicate this particular scene, and then, or you can delete this particular scene. Excuse me. So you click on the edit icon again, and it launches you into this particular scene where you can now edit this scene. So for here, we have the picture of the young man there, and then we have the text on the right hand side. At the bottom here, you have where your text placeholder, your text the text holder placeholder, where you can type in your text and change it. So we are going to change this to something. I'm just going to you could either click here and input your text at the bottom here, click and then put in your text. Okay, want to delete this, you can click in, put in your text, delete it. Okay, so I'm going to put in what I want here. Let me just do a short motivational. Yes, you can. Type in yes, you can. That'll be the title, and I click done. Once you click done, as you can see here, you see there's something here called a snapshot, something called a snapshot here. And so if you click on that snapshot, it's going to show you what you've just done, the way it will appear on your screen. So I click on the snapshot, and you wait for the snapshot to load. It's loading. And then when it's done, it's going to show the snapshot again, and if you click it a second time, it will load and you will see exactly what you have done. Okay, so you see here, yes, you can. So the next thing we are going to do here is we're going to replace this scene. I don't want my yes, you can to show this guy here at the door. I want to change this guy to something else. So I click on replace scene. It takes you to a page where you have lots of groups of characters you can put in: casual male character, casual female, corporate male, corporate female, character group, background animations, occupation, and all complex scene. So I'm going to pick logo. Let me pick a logo animation. I don't know what logo I'm going to use. Let me just use any of the RENDERFOREST logos here and put yes, you can. Let me pick this. When you select it, you click replace at the bottom and it will replace it. So we have it there. And there you can now add the image of your logo right now. You now add the image. That's why you see at the bottom here it tells you add image at the bottom here. Add image. So you can now click there and add the image. I'm going to use our flyer. I'll use our flyer, and let's see how it will look like as a logo. Okay, all right, so it's loading all the things I have on my, so I'm going to look for the flyer. I think that, okay, it's here. Select it. Okay, it's loading. I want to say, when you are working on videos, you really have to be patient. So we have it there, and you have to edit the text. Right now at the bottom here you have replace, edit, fill, or fit. So I'm going to use fit. I want it to fit. I don't want it to just hang like that. I want it to fit. So I select fit. So it fits into what we have there. And like I said, I select snapshot, and then it loads. It's doing a kind of a short rendering, and then when it shows the snapshot again, you click it and it will show you exactly how your scene will look like. Okay, there it goes. That's going to look beautiful. Beautiful. Right, so let's proceed, and then you're going to now do the same to your next. Okay, so we have it there, and once you're done, you click close. It closes that scene. As you can see, one scene is ready. You do the same to the next scene. I'll be faster a bit here. Click on the number, changes to the edit icon. You click on the edit icon again, and it gives you, so I can put in a second text here. First was yes you can, and I say select everything using your mobile phone. To edit videos is so easy and fun. Done. Once you are done, snapshot it so you can have an idea what it looks like. Snapshot it, you can have an idea how it looks. In case sometimes why you really need to do this, some of the text you could put would be too much for the scene. That way you would edit the scene, or change the scene pictures, or edit your text. So let's see how this looks. Right, it's good. Using your mobile phone to edit videos is so easy and fun. I'm going to replace the scene with a mobile phone. So I click on replace the scene. I'm going to look for mobile phone. Let me just search. I click on the top search icon and I type in mobile phone, and I search. So we have lots of mobile phone. So I'm going to use this vertical mobile with one image holder, and once you select, you click replace. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, what this one is having is going to show you a phone, and you can put a picture inside the phone. So what we have here, let me add an image. Quickly select our flyer again. I'll select our flyer from my gallery. I showed you how to use fit. The bottom here, I select fit so it fits into the screen of the phone, and I snapshot so I can have an idea how the changes I've made will appear. Okay, so there we go. A snapshot again. So let's see how it appears. So see here, using a mobile phone to edit videos is so easy and fun. All right, so once you're done, like I said, you click close. Okay, I'm going to delete this next scene. I don't need this scene, so I select the edit icon and I delete. This one is a paid scene. You can see the symbol there at the top there. It's a paid scene, so you can't even, you are using the paid version. I don't need that, so I will delete that. And then I'm going to use this, some typography thing. So I'll click on it and edit the text. We have 3 text fields there, 1, 2, 3. So it's high time I'm going to leave it high time and change the last one. It says high time you started using your smartphone, or it's high time you maximized your smartphone, or well, it's high time you take you take advantage of your mobile phone. Whatever, this is just something that just coming in my mind right now. Then I snapshot as usual. I'm not going to replace this scene because I like it the way it is. All right, so snapshots, and then just wait, it will run, and then once it is done loading, you would click on the snapshot again, and you can now all right, boom, we are ready. So we click snapshot a second time and it loads, and so this is how it's going to be. It's high time you found, okay, there's something found there. Let's remove the found, edit it, click on it, found out. It's high time you take advantage, UUW. Let me just change this to take advantage. It's high time you take advantage of your mobile phone. Okay, snapshot again. Also, when each time you snapshot it, it makes it easier for the videos to render at the end of the project. And so the snapshots is rendering the video. Okay, it's high time you take advantage of your mobile phone. So I'm good with this. I click OK, and then the next scene, I'm going to put in the flyer boldly there. So let me look for let me replace this scene with something that will help me put in pictures, image holders with character. I just want image holders alone. I don't want video holders. So you can actually insert video. So we have here image holders here. Let me look for something that looks like what I want for our, okay, let me use this PC screen with one image and one text. So all right, so we have this beautiful image there, and now add image. I've shown you this before. We go over it again, select the flyer, fit to screen. I now move to the text field. You can now see here that we can navigate from the image. After the image, we can now go to the text field. I select and I can write coming soon, and I'll click OK. And then the next point, the next field here, next one, you can see text position. So we are going to, you can decide if you want the text to be on the right, on the text on the right, text on the center, text on the left. So for now, just leave it at the center, and then we snapshot to see what our screen looks like. what our screen looks like. We have one more scene and then we are done. One more scene and then we are done. Okay, so snapshots. Oh wow, it's beautiful. That's how it looks like. So now writing coming soon. Okay, and we close. It's always wonderful to end with a call to action. So I'm going to click all these ones. I'm going to delete all of them. Don't need them. Don't need this. I don't need this. Now I told you could add a scene on your own. So there's add a scene here. Add a scene there. So let's add a scene. Okay, so I'm going to pick let me search for scene. Call to action. Call to action. Whenever you're making content online, always end with a call to action, so someone will take an action. Okay, so we have here different call to action. I'm going to pick this one here, logo with message call. No, I want something that has to do with Instagram, Vimeo, man with website, phone, man with Instagram, website, phone, message, contacts. Okay, so I think I can use this. One, add. So that's going to be our call to action page. So the first field there, I can say contact us. Second text field, I can put the website www. I can call it okay, let me use my website, though it's not yet ready. I can use bmxsolutions.com, and then the next text field, what you have there is your phone number, 08023746591. And then the last thing there, I didn't see this well. What's actually there? Okay, let me just say XXX. I'll see what's there later. And then the last field is at the bottom there, and say contact us. Let me just say now. Okay, let's snapshot and see what we have. Okay, so we have it there. Okay, I think the first one, website, phone number, it's actually so tiny, can't really see what's there. Okay, let me correct that to another website link. Just say bit.ly/register. Okay, so we are done. We snap the shot, so we are ready right now. Okay, so there we go. We have our call to action page, our last page. So we close it, and so what we now have at the bottom here, I told you earlier on that we have some icons here: edit, style, music, and preview. Let me show you how that works. So we've just finished editing, so we move to style. When you select the style, you have more options up here. You have look, how it will look, the font, transition, and the text style of the text. So let's get to work. On the look, I just want to pick, you can scroll and pick any of them that you like the look. Okay, I always like things that are simple, not too much colors. I'm selecting that one. Fonts, you can't really do much because you are using a free plan. If you want to be able to select the fonts, differentiate the fonts, you need to upgrade to the paid version. But these fonts are lovely fonts. You can make good use of them. Okay, so next we get to the transition here. That will really help us to choose how we want our content to move from one page to the next. So usually you wait for some seconds or some for the transition to load. I think I'm going to pick, I think I like this one here, so I select it. It's selected. Whichever one you scroll to is the one that is selected. So next thing is we are going to show the text styles. Okay, what do we have there? Select the text styles. Select your preferred text style. Sounds like saying textile. Or it's text style. So I'm just waiting for it to load. A lot of them, you pick any one. I'm having challenge my network, so I don't want to delay. Okay, so we have options here. You pick any one that you like. I'm going to take this one. Then once we are done with the style, we come here and get the music done. Right? Select the music. Okay, you can have, there's a feature here. This is such a lovely feature. Convert your text to high quality audio. So you can just type your text and it's converted to audio, but sorry, it's for those who would pay. The free version of RenderForest does not feature this, but like I said, there are other tools that can give you this feature. So let's leave this out. Okay, so where are we? We have some music here. You can change it to another piece of music. We'll be dealing with that in detail later. But down here, you can see voiceover here. So you can click any of this and make voiceover for each of the clips. You can see your clips here, your scenes are here. So you can make voiceovers for them. Okay, so there we go. We are not doing that in this class, so let's skip that and move on to the last part of the whole process, which is the preview. This will help you to save your work. Okay, so right in the preview, we have fast preview, which I'm going to use for now because we are just running a training. But it is recommended that you use HD 920 with watermark. This is an amazing improvement. 2 years ago, when I started using RenderForest, we only had 540 standard definition as the highest you could do with a free plan. But right now, you have HD 720, but you have to handle the watermark that will be stamped on the video. It's not really a bad idea, but like I said, I will show you how you can get rid of the watermark. Of course, the official way to do that is to upgrade to the full plan. Okay, so if you are making lots of money from RenderForest, why not upgrade? Okay, so I select I want to select fast preview, and then it's preparing your media. You see here, you can safely close this page anytime. The exported video will be available for download in my videos page, and you can also see here you receive notification when rendering is finished. You can also click here, notify me, to make sure you are notified. So let me click on notify me. Okay, see the notifications activated. It's exporting 15%. Okay, so we are done. I would love to hear your feedback. Tap to rate. I don't have time for that, so we cancel. So here you are. Our video is ready. We can preview it. Let's see what we've done. So you can see we are ready. Video is looking good. So you have two options there. We already have it. And so next thing we will do now is either you decide to download with the watermark, or you decide to share. Whichever one you want to. If you want to share, you have opportunity. Let's click on share. You have the opportunity to share to WhatsApp, all your Telegram and all that, everything you want to share, or you just want to download to your phone. You just click download with watermark. So let's click download. So it's downloading. You can see there it's moving a bit fast this time around. It's done already. It's done already. So let's download it to your my videos. Now you want to download to your phone. You now click here, download to your phone. You have options there. Just select this free preview with watermark. Select it and we are good to go. Okay, let's see. Okay, you can see here that your video has finished downloading. So okay, so it's my file manager and it's there downloaded into my movies folder. So play it from here. It's from my phone. So we have it there. Okay, so we are good to go. So anytime you want to work on this particular video, you have it there. You can check the options, you can rename it, so it's going to be easier to find it. Let me call this masterclass tutorial 1. Tutorial 1 video. Okay, so next time I can easily access it, differentiate it. Okay, so I've renamed it. Okay, let's see how long it will take for that to happen. But that is it. You can always find your videos here. Like I said earlier on, you can always find your videos here. always there. You can, it's not taking any space on your phone. So that is that. Let's take a break with this. This wraps up our tutorial 1 on making video content with RenderForest mobile app. Thank you.